Hello everyone, today in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to install WordPress plugin. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open your WordPress dashboard and then click on plugins and then click on add new. And here you'll find many types of plugin you can install from here, or you can search a particular plugin from here. Let's say I want to install this plugin, so I'm clicking on install now, and after installed, click on activate, and then here we can see the plugin has been installed and activated on our WordPress dashboard. And now let's see how to upload plugin from our computer. So click on plugins and then click on add new and then click on upload plugin. Choose file and now select the plugin which you want to upload on your WordPress. And here we can see the plugin is selected now, and then click on install now. So the plugin is installed successfully. Now click on activate. So this is how we can install plugin on WordPress. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.